Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Style Brush to replace the door style. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select a custom cabinet. Click Customize in the floating window. You can select Toolkit, Style Brush in the top toolbar. You can also press the shortcut N to activate the Style Brush. First, place the Style Brush on the door style you want to copy. Next, click on the door panel that needs to be replaced. The door style has been copied successfully. Note that the absorption range of the Style Brush tool must be the same true classification model, texture pack, style pack, size range, as the absorption object. If the door style you are picking up has a door handle, then the door handle style will also be copied to the target door panel. That's all. Thanks for watching.